Good morning, students. Today our topic is factors. So in this topic we have to learn what is factor, what is multiple, what is prime number, what is composite number, what is twin prime, what is co-primes. We are discussing in all these topics in this video. So first one is factors. What is factor? Is given one head. A number which divides the other number exactly is called factors of that number. What is it meaning? For example, you have to take 20. 20 I am divided with 5. 5 4 ja 20. So, listen clearly. So, a number which divides another number exactly. Exactly means remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Then that number is called factor of that number. Factor of that number. That is equal to 20. You have to write 4 into 5. 4 into 5. That means 5 is a factor. 5 factor of 20. Or again we have 4 is also factor of 20. Factor of 20. Okay? Factor means a number which divides other number exactly. Exactly means the remainder is 0. Then that number is called factor. So, what about this 20 is called multiple. Here 20 is called multiple. 20 is multiple. Understand? So, this is factor, this is multiple. Now I am writing some examples for easy understand. So, understand now? So, whenever you have to divide, this is dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, here remainder. Whenever you are getting remainder, this quotient is also, this quotient also factor, this divisor also factor. Okay? Right. So, how to write factors? How to write factors? Simple numbers I am taking right now. So, for example, I have to take 12. So, first I have started with 1. 1 12 is 12. Okay, next. 2 6 is 12. 3 4 is 12. There is no other choice. 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12. Same numbers are repeated. We have to take only one way, that's enough. Okay, now 12 factors. 12 factors. What are the 12 factors here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. How many factors 12 have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 factors. Number of factors is 6. Number of factors are 6 for 12. So, this is for we are writing. Next, I add another one number. So, 6 to 12 have 6 factors. Next, I am writing another one number that is equal to 25. 25 we are writing 125 is a 25. Every number we have to write 1 into that number. Every number. Okay? Next. So, 5 5 is a 25. 5 5 is a 25. So, 1, 5 and 25. Factors of 25. So, here, remaining one thing, for example, I have to take another one that is equal to 6. 1 6 is 6. 2 3 is 6. So, 2 3 is both are same. 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6. So, but here 6 is multiple. 6 is multiple. Okay. So, here 25 is the multiple. 25 is the multiple. So, every number, you have to take every number is a factor of itself. 1 is also factor of itself. So every number have two factors, minimum two factors. That is 1 and that number, 1 and that number. So 6 have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, 25 only 3 factors. Okay. Next, again I am taking one number that is equal to, I will take 7. 1 7 just 7. No choice. So there is no other choice. So 1 and 7 are factors of 7. Factors of 7. How to take another one number that is equal to 13. 1 13 is 13. Okay. So your number of factors how many? Number of factors only 2. Factors 2. For 7 only. For 7 number of factors. So what are the 1 and that number? 1 and that number. Here 13 also take. 1 13 is 13. 1 13 is 13. So 1 and 13 are factors of 1 comma 13 are factors of 13. Here also number of factors. Number of factors how many? Only 2. Only 2. Okay. So now we are introduced the prime number concept. What is prime number? A number have only 2 factors. A number have only 2 factors. Then that number is called prime number. So now is number. Simple concept. Already we know what is factors. So prime numbers, a number have only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Then that number is called prime number. What is composite number? Composite, a number have more than 2 factors. A number have more than 2 factors. That means that are 3 or more. More than 2, that means 3, 4, 5, whatever it may be. 3 or more, then that number is called composite numbers. Okay? Only 2 factors have prime number. More than 2 are composite number. Simple thing. But 1 have no prime number, no composite number. So this before we are saw that is equal to 7 and 13. Both are prime numbers. Both are prime numbers. They have only 2 factors. Even I have take 5. 5 also we are at 1 5 is of 5. We are not able to write again one product of 2 numbers. There is a 5 also one prime number. If I take 29, 1 29 is a 29. There is no other choice. That is equal to 29 also prime number. Okay? This is prime number. Composite numbers means a number have more than 2 factors. A number have more than 2 factors. Then that number is called composite number. So already we saw, for example, how to take 4. 1 4 is 4 and 2 2 is 4. So here 1 2 4. Total how many? We have 3 factors. How many factors? 3 factors. Therefore 4 is a composite number. 2 is a, here we have to take 2 also. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 is also a prime number. A prime number. So we have remember one thing, up to 100, 1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. How many prime numbers? 25. Number of prime numbers 1 to 100 we have 25. That means first 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Just you are understand I am writing. First one, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a 5 number, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and so on I have to write. Up to you have to write, up to 100 you are getting 25 is a prime, 25 prime numbers. Remaining are composite numbers. Okay? You are understand what is the prime number, what is the composite number? What is co-prime? What is relative? Both are same name only, same, both are same meaning. Okay, there. So, two numbers have common factor 1 only. Then that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Two numbers have common factor only 1. See how we are. For example, I have to take 3. So, 3 factors I have to write. 3 1 is 3. Okay? Next. 3 5. If I take 4, 1 4 is 4 and 2 2 is 4. What are the common factors? 1 2 4. 4 factors 1 2 4. 3 factors 1 and 3. So in this which are common? Only 1 is the common. 1 is the common. Therefore 3 4 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime or relatively prime. Co-prime or relatively prime. I am explaining once again. 3 have only 2 factors. 1 3 is a 3. There is no other choice. 4 have 3 factors. 1 2 3. But both are common factor is only 1. Any take that number is prime or composite, we are not bothered about that. So in this you have compare any two numbers, one only common factor, then that numbers are called co-prime numbers or relatively prime numbers. Take another one example. I am explaining another one example. So I have to take 8. So 8 you have to write 1 8 is 8, 2 4 is 8. So 4 2 is 8. 8 factors. 8 factors. 1 2 4 and 8. Okay. Now take another one number that is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. So 1 15 is 15. 3 5 is 15. That is equal to 1 3 5 and 15 are factors. So in this which is the common? Only 1 is the common. Only 1 is the common. Therefore 8 and 15 are co-primes. But they are not prime numbers. But they are co-primes because they have only one factor. 8 and 15 are co-prime. Co-primes. Okay? Understand? Next, I am going for another one examples. Okay, if I am take another one, for example, I will take 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Factors 1 2 3 6 are factors. Therefore, in this which is the common? 1 is the common, 2 is the common. How many factors? 2 common factors. So they are not relatively prime. Therefore 6 and 8 are not co-prime or relatively prime. Not co-primes. Not co-primes. Understand? If I take big numbers also, you can find. But you are understanding, I am explaining with small numbers only. Okay? This is for co-primes. Numbers. Twin primes are prime number but differ from each other 2 only. So twin prime means they should be prime numbers. The difference of 2 prime numbers should be 2 only. That is this concept. So these are, I am writing some prime numbers. Here 2 and 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. They are not prime. They are not primes. Here take 3 and 5. 3 comma 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore 3 comma 5 are twin primes. Twin prime numbers. Twin primes. So what is the twin primes means? They should be prime numbers and the difference is 2. This is the one concept. So before co-primes, the factor only 1, common factor only 1, that is the co-primes. but they need not be prime or not, but here they should be prime only. Okay, next. So if I take 5 comma 7, so 7 minus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore 7 and 5 are twin primes. Same like that only. Here also we are getting 11 and 13, 17 and 19, and 23 and 31, 29 and 31. Okay. So 23 before here gap is 4, here also 6. So these are not twin primes. Okay. Twin prime means they are prime numbers, but they should be differ with 2 only. So for example, again 29, 31, that is equal to 31 minus 29, that is equal to 2. Therefore 29 and 31 are twin primes. Twin primes. Okay? Understand? Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.